Next topic that we are going to see in the chapter is land filling sites. Now, this is a method to make compost, to make biocompost with the help of microorganisms, and which is being in use. It is being practiced at many places, and it's very easy, but we need to depend on some useful microorganisms. So, from the name, you will get a little idea, land filling sites. That means we need land to do this. So, a type of degradable waste which is created in urban area. Usually this method is being done in urban areas in big cities, because these are the places where daily amount of waste, solid waste, is very high, and then there is problem of dumping this waste. There's a huge problem in city areas, so land filling sites is a better option. A particular land or area of land is selected which is far away from residential areas. Large pits are dug inside, deep inside the earth. Soil means the ground is dug deep. A well or a deep hole is made. It is covered with some plastic sheets, and then compressed waste is put in it. That waste has to be biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means the waste that can be used up or decomposed by microorganisms. Only that waste is used. Then after putting the plastic and then the compressed waste, biodegradable waste, in that pit, it is covered with some bioreactor substances and some particular specific biochemicals. Bioreactors and biochemicals, they help to the bacteria to decompose this waste, to do it quickly, so the compost can be made in a less period of time, in shorter time. Bioreactors are usually enzymes. Then microbes which are useful or which can decompose this kind of waste, they are introduced in this pit. The pit means the deep hole which is dug inside the earth, soil, ground. That pit is then afterwards sealed with soil slurry after it is full. When the waste is completely filled in the pit, after that the opening of the pit is sealed with soil slurry. Slurry means wet soil, little wet soil, and then it is left over there. The microorganisms are kept like that in the pit. They are for some time undisturbed, and after a few days compost is formed, and then this pit, it can be removed because there is a covering of plastic, so all that thing can be easily removed, and then same pit can be reused again and again as many times as they want.